While the process of transferring funds is very simple, the discussion surrounding what to transfer can be quite complex. First, we will discuss how to make a transfer. When moving funds from one bank to another, we record the transaction by starting in the ledger account that you are moving the money from and click the account transfer icon. In this account transfer window, click the account you are moving the money to, enter the amount of the transfer and date of the transfer, then click OK. This will issue a payment from the current ledger account allocated to the account transfer account, as well as a deposit in the other bank, also allocated to the account transfer. Basically, you're debiting one account and crediting another, and all that is left to do is to make the physical transfer at the banking site. If your banks are not linked, transfer the funds to the cash account, then mock the payment up with a check number and payee, then print if needed. This way you can include this payment in your next deposit, processing your deposit like normal. When an agency heavily utilizes a credit card, they will typically set the credit card account up as a ledger, inputting credit card transactions like EFT payments. If this is how you treat your credit card account, use the transfer feature to make your payment, transferring from the bank to the credit card account. When an agency runs a separate trust account in which they deposit all agency bill receipts, they will on a regular basis wish to transfer out their retained commission. Many agencies are tempted to try to allocate these transfers to commission, but because the commission is recorded at the policy level, they would be incorrectly affecting their commission account. In other words, the process itself is a normal transfer, but figuring out what to transfer is the tricky part. The accounting workflow documents appropriate to your accounting basis can be found on our website, and the periodic process section will offer some direction on the best practices for commission calculation. This periodic commission transfer is best done only after the accounting has been confirmed, which begins with our next tutorial on bank reconciliation.